Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enter the one-time boot menu on DELL XPS 13. In order to enter the one-time boot menu, first you need to shut down the laptop. So I'm just gonna press and hold on the power button until the light on the power button goes off, because I think it'll be quicker than waiting until the laptop turns on. So let's see. Okay, it's already off. Now, if you're trying to boot from an external device, plug it in before you turn on the laptop, then turn it on, and immediately after releasing the power button, start repeatedly pressing on F12 key on your keyboard until there's a blue bar loading on the bottom of the screen. Okay, now it's loading, so we are basically in the one-time boot menu. In a moment, on the left side, on the bottom left side, you'll see all the boot devices that you have available. Select the one that you want to boot from and it'll be all done. So let's see that. Yeah, and I'm just gonna select the Windows Boot Manager, honestly, but feel free to select your USB or anything else. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.